Moving on would be CRO against BTC. So for Crypto.com coin, okay, Crypto.com coin still looks bullish though. I feel like there's still another move, another rally higher for Crypto.com coin against BTC. CRO against BTC it still looks good, to be honest. I could already see 3 waves down, 4, 5 maybe. Not too sure myself. I am not too sure myself, but it feels like, I mean, if you look at the charts, right, it feels like we are curving back up. It feels like we're curving back up, right, rather than curving back down, right? This is like a curve back up. So I feel like we're gonna form a series of valleys instead, right? A series of valleys, pump, we break. If we form a series of valleys, we will break higher. I mean, of course, we could still get mountain ranges for CRO, right? For sure, we could still get it. I mean, this may not be the low. We could still pop even lower. It's just that things aren't really that clear for Crypto.com coin against BTC. So I would preach caution. But we're still largely in an uptrend. So if anything, potentially more upside is to be expected for Crypto.com coin. This may not be the highs. We might just see another higher high before we pop lower. I mean, if the whales of Crypto.com coin wanted to pull CRO lower, we could still see another higher high. That's my guess for CRO. So yes, CRO is still really, really strong. At this point of time, it's just insanely strong. So yeah, one of the very few rare gems. There are many rare gems. Not many. There are a few rare gems that, you know, when we've been going through the top 50, you would know what I'm talking about. And CRO is one of those rare gems. CRO USDT. What am I looking at? Huobi has more data. So yeah, CRO against USDT. We're in a falling channel, right? But you could also see that there are the rallies here and there, but largely we are popping lower, right? It's a mountain range, right? You can see mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3, we're down. We retested resistance, down. We tried retesting it again, but we got slapped down. And then after that, here we are. Yes, sir, we are largely in a downtrend, right? You can see it. We are attempting to break the resistance line. You could feel it. So potentially, we could see a breakout for CRO against USDT towards the upside. In my opinion, potentially, we could see a recovery towards the upside for CRO against USDT. The height of CRO was actually at 96 cents. We almost crossed $1. So if you bought a Crypto.com coin at the bottom with like, I don't know, at 10 cents, this would be a 10x for you. If you got 10,000 at the bottom, you would have 20. So what am I talking about? 10,000 would give you 100,000 at the top. This is insane money. So in my opinion, I think we could see a recovery close to the highs, or even a higher high for CRO against USDT. The point is, we just don't see any clear tradable chart patterns at this point of time for CRO against USDT. Again, we could still pop lower for sure. We could head towards the support line over here. This could be a, I'm assuming that this is a 3-wave move and then we break. But there's also that possibility, because when things fall, they fall in waves of 3 or 5. When things rise, they rise in waves of 5. This is for sure. So, but the down part is, we're not sure about the down part. Is it a 3-wave move or is it a 5-wave move? Right, but for towards the upside, an impulsive move usually is 5 waves. So in my opinion, what's this? In my opinion, I think that more likely than not, there could be another. I mean, more likely than not, we should be breaking out of the falling channel, but there could be 5 waves. So watch out for the potential of another move lower for CRO before the whales attempt to push the price back up, because crypto as a whole is largely bearish at this point of time. And so Crypto.com, again, like I was saying, is one of the few rare gems that are still in a bullish trend. If it were to fall, how much lower are you going to fall? Yeah, potentially towards, we could take out the lows here and here, right? If we do rally, there's also a danger that we could get mountain ranges over here, right? We could get a descending triangle of sorts, and we could still pop lower. Bearish case, we don't know yet. We don't know what kind of rally we're going to get. Is this going to be a very strong breakout, or is this going to be a very weak rally? And after that, yeah, we get mountain ranges right on top of the skinny pink line. We pop even lower for CRO against USDT. Yes, no, not too sure ourselves. So at this point of time, we're not entirely sure. It's not time to be going long yet. This is a potential breakout towards the upside, but again, we need more information first. We need more data before we make a move for Crypto.com coin. We just aren't really sure what is happening at this point of time. So as a profitable trader, you have to be risk averse. If you're not really sure, don't do it.